Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English with Mano is Matthew here. Today in this video I'm going to share with you 9 overused words that are used by English speakers, especially when they are at the beginning stage of English speaking language. So if you are one of them, then this video is going to be more useful for you to just replace with some synonyms that are highly useful in your speaking and especially in writing. If you are here for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any latest updates whenever I upload a new video. Let's get started with those 9 words that are overused in English every time when we speak. And here also I am trying to make and improve my English through daily videos, and I hope you are also enjoying the videos that I upload every day. Don't forget to like this video if you really enjoy and learn something new each day. Let's begin with the first word, answer. It has got many synonyms, but I would like you to learn some words that are like explanation or solution. The word answer means something that you know something, right? Instead of saying answer, do you know the answer of this question? Instead of saying that, do you know the solution for this? Do you know the explanation for this? Let's come to the second one. Angry. Angry means you know that the person is very angry. So in one example, like let's say that if your husband or wife is getting angry, you simply say, my husband is very angry today. My wife is very angry because she had to wash many clothes today. Instead of saying angry, we can say furious. Furious, something that is a kind of situation when the person is very angry. So one synonym is furious. Another one example is offended. My husband was offended. My brother was offended by my behavior. Because of his behavior, I was offended. So instead of angry, you can use at any time offended, furious, or like irritated or cross. She crossed me last time. The third word for you here is other. Other means something that you replace something from something to something other. Instead of saying other, we can say alternative. Do you know anything other than this? Instead of saying that, do you know alternative for this? Do you know alternative for this? Or do you like to say something more? Other than this, do you like to say something more? In that case, we can use another word, further. Do you have something further to say? The fourth word for today is more. More. Do you like to say something more? Do you like to add in addition? So the synonym here is addition or greater. Greater. More, we can use greater. It is something greater experience for me. It is something great experience, greater experience for me. It is a more experience for me. Instead of saying that, it is a greater experience for me. So I hope you understood this, the way we have to use these synonyms to sound more like a native English speaker. The fifth word here is hard. Something very hard means something, instead of that saying hard, it is a very hard exam. Instead of saying it's a hard exam, we can say some replacing synonyms like challenging. It was a challenging exam. It was a difficult exam. In that case, we can say some exams are very competitive, right? So we can say some examples, competitive exams are very demanding. This exam is very demanding. That means it's very hard. So instead of saying hard, we can use some synonyms like challenging, difficult, or demanding. The sixth word that here I'm going to share with you is nice. This is the word that we very often use in our English speaking, daily English speaking. She is a nice woman. He is a nice person. You are very nice. So instead of saying this word repeatedly, we can replace some synonyms with nice like attractive or charming, lovely. So please remember, these words are always referring to a quality of a person. We always use this to refer to any person, like lovely. She is a lovely woman. Attractive, charming. So we can replace with these words. And the sixth word here is describe. Describe means to explain more. Describe. Instead of saying describe, this situation describes more about the real accident. This newspaper report describes more about the recent accident. Describe means something to tell more. Instead of saying describe, we can say characterize. Characterize. This situation characterize all about this personality. This situation or this news or this story characterize more about his personality. This picture portrays everything about today's globalization. This picture portrays. So instead of saying describe, we can use portrays. And the second last one, the eighth one here is use. This is the word that we very often use in our, and even I also use this word very often. These all 9 words that I also often use repeatedly. But here I would like to upload these videos just for improving my English. At the same time, I hope it will be somehow more useful for some of you that you are watching this video. Instead of using use, we can say some synonyms like adopt or employ. Do you like to use this? You should not use that method. You should not use that method. In that case, we can use you should not adopt that method. You should not adopt that method. Yeah, you have to employ this one in this method. Means you have to use this method instead of saying that you have to employ this method. So this is the something that synonyms that will help you speak English more fluently and better. And the last word for you today is best. This is a superlative, good, better, the best. So this is something very important word that we very often we use in our English speaking. But instead of saying best, we can also replace this word with another synonym that is perfect. You are best or you are the best. Instead of saying that, you can say you are perfect. And I hope that you are going to be perfect in your English speaking by watching many more videos. And I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope I have shared something more informative and useful for you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any latest update whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to give a like. Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning English with me. Have a nice time.